Don't want to fix it alone? Call RVFix to get virtual assistance from a certified technician today.
Today I just wanted to talk to you about the common RV shower head and a few issues we get calls on about flow rates or not enough water coming out of the shower head, other things like that. So the first things first, water flow is actually pretty important for a couple reasons in the RV, mainly to do with how the water heaters work on a lot of these units. If you have too high a flow rate coming out of a shower head, you can outpace what that water heater can actually do. So a lot of the times you can end up getting a lot milder temperatures than what you're expecting out of your water heater if you're producing too high a flow rate. If you were to replace this with an aftermarket that's not necessarily just your RV standard flow rate on there. If you do feel though that you are not getting enough water out of these guys, there is an on and off switch that's used on these shower heads as well. One of the first things you can check. So that is simply for while you're showering. If you're stopping to put shampoo in your hair is a great example and you don't want to waste water, you can turn that little lever right there, push it through. It will shut the water off through the shower head so you are not wasting water while you're shampooing your hair, especially if you're dry camping, you don't want to use up the fresh tank. As soon as you're ready for water again, you just flip your little lever and it will start putting your water back out. Another thing that's quick and easy to check on these as well is these shower heads actually just unscrew off of here. So this part right here on the hose actually just twists, comes off of there. So you can see right on that side of it, it's kind of got a little bit of a screen in there. Especially when your unit is brand new from the factory, a lot of the times you will get plastic debris left over in your water lines. So when you go to use that RV, a lot of the times whichever faucet is used first, you can get that plastic deposits to build up on there. And if you're getting pretty much nothing, that is the first place you want to check, is that little screen in that shower head. And if it is, you know, noticeably little plastic chunks or wood debris, you could just kind of blow it off, wash it off, and that will usually get them going. When taking your shower head as well, you want to make sure not to lose that little washer right there, that little rubber washer, because if that is not in there, no matter how tight you put this back on there, it will leak on you. If you are replacing just a shower head, again, most of your RV standard ones are just going to screw back onto this just like that. So if you're replacing just the head, they'll usually work with that hose as well. So if you are replacing the shower head and hose, if you are doing that, they just screw on from right here as well. So this just is going to unscrew from right on the top of that shower head. Or if yours is flipped and down on the bottom, it'll be the same thing. But yeah, they do just unscrew the same way and come off of there. And then same thing, you have your rubber washer. You just want to make sure you don't lose that guy on there.
Thanks for watching. If this video didn't solve your problem, don't worry. We're here to help. Give us a call at 1-844-66-RVFix. We'll diagnose your issue quickly with a certified technician on a video call, get any parts and warranty processed, and if needed, we'll coordinate a service center or mobile technician to get you fixed. We'll handle it all so you can get back to camping.